Okay, so back I am here at the Walmart, and my name's Scott. I'm plowing the Walmart, Prescott, Arizona. It's actually December 30th, 1:30 in the morning, 2010. Our big blizzard here, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of what's going on here, and you're going to plow some snow with me. First of all, it's very windy, and we're going to look outside the truck. I don't know if you can see that flag up down the Walmart. It's blowing like crazy. All the trees are too. See them all against the wall there. Here's what I've done so far since 8:30. 9:30 actually. Been plowing. There's my rig. See, it hardly looks touched here. And I'll probably be plowing for another 4 hours. And it's really windy out here, so I'm going to take you in the truck. And you're going to see what it's like to plow snow with me. So, first thing I got to do, apologize for moving around, is I just turned on my plow. This is up and down, up, down, right, left, so I'm going to put the plow down. You can see the plow out in front of me, hopefully. Actually, I'm going to pull you to the side so I know what you're looking at there. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. I should have had all my lights going, but I didn't. So I got to put my lights on before I hurt somebody. I got my lights on. Away we go. Plowing snow. Now, the snow plow is angled to the left. So what you'll see is it's pushing the snow off to the side to the left. So we'll stop here. Lift up the plow so you can't even hardly see it. That's the fun part. Can't see what you're doing. We'll back up and I'll show you what kind of mess I left. So you see how all the snow is pushed off to the left side. I hope you can see that. Snow is all pushed off to the left side. That's because of the angle of the plow. Now if I change the angle this way, put the plow down, and we're going to go again. I'll push the snow the other way. Put the plow up. Up it comes. Back up. See what kind of mess we made this time. So I'm nice and toasty warm inside this cab. I just sent my shoveler home. His name's Evan, young guy. He's out there for 4 hours in this blizzard and he did a great job. Anyway, Blizzard of 2010. I'm going to sign off.